What's up guys, Brian Phobos here. Today I'm going to talk about why I like crypto better than I like gold and silver. Now this is a 1 troy ounce steam round that Papa Pepper gave me, which is super cool, but personally I don't own a lot of like silver and gold, and I've just kind of never really gotten into it. I like to hold it, it's heavy, you know, kind of like I like that, but I've always felt like that market was manipulated, and at the end of the day we don't know how much silver and we don't know how much gold is in the world. You know, as mining techniques improve, a lot of times they'll be going over the same exact area that's been mined 2 or 3 previous times and trying to extract what maybe they weren't able to capture before. And again, we don't know how much there is. Now cryptos mirror gold and silver as far as the easy stuff has already been gotten, and then over time the difficulty essentially goes up. So the mining of cryptos mirrors the mining of gold and silver, but at the end of the day I feel like it's definitely a different animal as far as the market goes. There's a lot of paper silver, but a lot of paper gold out there. We don't really know, you know, kind of how much manipulation that has like created. It just doesn't make sense to me that back in 2013 silver was around like $20 an ounce, and then now I believe it's around like $14 an ounce. It doesn't make sense to me because silver does have tangible utility, and gold does to a certain respect with like electronics, and then obviously like, you know, jewelry and stuff like that. But I just don't think that if we ran into like a lot of economic issues that gold and silver, like that people would kind of like flock back to that. I actually think that like oil to me would seem like a better hedge against sort of inflation. Again, it's kind of hard to keep 55-gallon drums of oil at your house or something like that. So it's just again, you're buying it out on the market that's likely manipulated. But again, with Bitcoin we know there's 21 million. With Monero we know there's 18.4 million, and with Litecoin we know there's 84 million. So we have a lot more finite numbers on how much is ultimately going to be out there and how much is in current circulation. Whereas with gold and silver, we don't really know how much is in the world, and I just don't know what kind of manipulation is taking place on the markets for that kind of stuff. So while I think it's like a cool keepsake, and you know, I do think it's, I'm not going to say it's like a bad investment, but personally I just kind of prefer cryptos over gold and silver. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer cryptos or gold and silver? And during the next recession, do you think that gold and silver will fare better than cryptos, or do you think crypto will surge during an economic downturn? Follow me on all social media at Brian Phobos, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Steam it. See you guys later.